Hey everyone, thank you for coming back. I hope you got a chance to read The Women by Kristin Hanna. And here's just an idea of a craft that you could do with your book club or on your own, just something kind of related to the book. This was a really good, kind of inspiring, you can do it story. I don't want to give it all away, but I really did enjoy this one. I hope you did too. If you didn't read it all the way or didn't read it yet, please take a moment to, you can listen to it on tape as well. It's just a good one. So I thought affirmation bracelets or friendship bracelets would be a really fun and great craft. I did get all these items from my favorite store, Hobby Lobby. So I got the pony beads there and then the alphabet letters. Um, I thought it'd be really encouraging to make a bracelet that said one more day. I did discover at the end of this that the more you the more you add to it as far as like word wise, the bigger the bracelet. So I didn't factor that in. So it ended up being a bit big. You could always make these as bookmarkers too, or even something to put on your key ring. Just kind of a inspiring saying, just kind of a feel good, you can do it kind of reminder. Um, and of course, you could use any size bead you want. Again, if you wanted to add this to a key ring, I do have a link to some really good key rings that are inexpensive on Amazon. I'll put that in the descriptions there. But I hope you get a chance to hang out with your book club or your friends or even on your own. Just take a moment to do something creative and reflect on the book that you just read. And I hope you enjoyed the book. And then just come back next week and we'll have a new book to read. Thank you.